What's up guys, Justin Giovanni here, and welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park. So get this, I'm on my way to Rocky Mountain National Park up in Estes, and the road ended up taking me a detour because they're doing construction on the road that I normally take. But guess what I ended up, hold on, okay, so guess what I ended up finding just driving, minding my own business, and like happened to look to my left. Holy shit. Yo, that view, oh my gosh, that view is amazing. So I've seen this place countless times on like the internet and like Facebook groups, but I thought about like planning this location and just like to photograph it, but like I was just maybe like one day, but holy crap, like it just so happened to like stumble upon it. So as soon as I got out of my car, yeah, sorry, I'm next to a road that people don't really mention when they post this photograph, that there's a pretty busy road up here. So as soon as I got done driving, I put a park and I took out my camera. Started out here on the roadside. You kind of like center up with the mountain directly in the back, or there's like a reflector right here that's kind of like use a rule of third. So the church is on the right hand side, and then you got the mountain a little bit on the left hand side. So this is really good composition if you want to put the church off on the right and then the mountain off to the left. If not, you can kind of center it up pretty good. Also, there's this small little creek down here. I ended up going down there and getting a really nice reflection of the church in the water, but I don't know if it's against the rules, because there's a sign down here that says something about like no trespassing, essentially, from like the Colorado roads. But there's a trail that's over here by the parking lot next to this drainage system. So I don't know if it's illegal or not, but it's freaking amazing. So I'll show you the photograph I ended up taking, the one that I took down there. So so cool. I'll show you those photos here. What's up guys, Justin Giovanni here, and welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park. Yo, this is sick. So we're actually, this location right now, we are at Nymph Lake. It's about half mile from the entrance to this place. The first lake we ended up going to was Bear Lake, but like Nymph Lake, Bear Lake is covered by the snow, as you can see, like all around me. But what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be going up to Dream Lake, I believe, and I think that lake, there's so much wind up there that it is basically blowing off all the snow on the lake and exposing the ice underneath. And from the photos that I've seen, it looks amazing. So all you can see is just like ripples on the ice, like look like little waves of ice. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna continue our hike. I think we've got about another half mile until we get to that lake. Yeah, it's been pretty awesome. A little bit of snow going on right now, but that's right. It's not gonna bother us too bad. But yeah, let me swing you guys around and let me kind of show you of like a wide perspective of this place. Let's go. Yo, check this view out. Holy, that's so crazy. Alright, I'm gonna put away the camera because I need to concentrate on hiking up this mountain. Let's go. Yo, we freaking made it. Oh man, I am freaking pumped. We're about to walk up onto Dream Lake. Sorry if it's pretty windy. Like I mentioned before, that Dream Lake itself, the ice is exposed because of all the wind. So if it's windy, my bad. Holy crap. This is freaking amazing. Wow, like, whoa. Let me turn you guys around and show you this view. Holy crap. So the past few minutes, probably like 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, I've been pretty much kind of walking around this whole area and just trying to find like a composition, which I think I found some really good compositions. Alright, this is my buddy Jules. He's also a photographer. We've been kind of like scouting around the area to find a really good composition. The first one that I found was this location right here. My foreground is a little bit of the cracked ice with small little air bubbles that got caught in the ice. That's my foreground. My background is obviously the mountains itself. Oh man, and it is gorgeous. So my camera settings I forgot, but I will put them down below as I always do in my videos. That way you guys can see what I'm using with, and then I'm going to actually walk on the ice here a bit. The other compositions I've been kind of like scrambling upon are these right here. Yes, so you can see which direction the wind is blowing, coming from the mountains down to the lake and just pushing all the snow off, and it's creating these little points off of the rocks. Now that's creating a leading line up to that mountain. And a little bit, I'm actually using this tree. I'm gonna have to like come back up here and like when it's a little bit warmer and do like another video. But yeah, like this place is amazing. There we go. So now this is 360 video. So to kind of give you guys a more visual of what this place is looking like. Only if you guys are here. Like this is freaking amazing. Let's go. Okay, dude. Talking about with all the cracks in the ice itself to help with a good foreground, kind of, you know, like a little bit of interest too, and small, very small little bubbles that you can see kind of. Yes. So I'm gonna go 8mm on the lens, that way I could over exaggerate the cracks in the ice. So yes. So I'll focus on the mountains first, and then I'll recompose and bring it down just a bit. There we go. Yeah. Jules is actually using that tree as a leading line for your eyes to kind of help you draw into the photo much more. And there's so much texture on the tree itself. I think what he's doing, he's going a little bit wide, and he's getting like all the details from that tree. I tell you, that looks good. One thing that you need to do when you're changing lenses on the element, use your body to block the wind, so you don't have any debris or dust or snow kick back onto your sensor.
Or it's just another night with a sensor swap 3.
yeah, I mean, if you guys want to learn how to clean your sensor, I'll put a link up right here. You guys can watch and learn how to clean your sensor on your camera. So we're gonna pretty much head back. We're gonna hike back down the mountain and pretty much, you know, call this a day. Oh man, I've been wanting to come up here for the longest time, and like so glad I did, because like the view on this is incredible. And with the frozen lake too, there's so much texture out here. Oh man, it's definitely worth being out here in the cold. I want to thank Jules for helping me out with a little bit of camera work. I do appreciate that. And along with the thumbnail to this video, that was him. So it's nice having another photographer with you, and you could go out and, you know, capture some great compositions. I don't want to leave, but like we've got to, because it's gonna get colder and the sun's going down, so we definitely should head back. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So let's go.
My family on my dad's side goes back to Hungary,
Yeah.
And they ran the state, and they were, you know, they had horses. They're all actually dressage. And yeah, the story goes that when a horse would break out of the stable, one of the sons would go and run him down. And the whole thing was that over multiple days, their theory was that they could actually outlast the horse, and that's what they do. A day or two running to run down the horses. And I'm like, that's some craziness. But I mean,
yeah, I mean, if your endurance is chasing after some horses. Ooh.
yeah.
It's slippery.
Did you get that?
I don't know. I gotta look at it.
Did you get that?
So that's it for the time being. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Yes. And if you want to see more of the videos that I produce, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Yes. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. And until then, I will see you all in the next video. See ya.